So I'll be showing you how to allow people to embed your posts on Instagram into their websites, okay? So that if you have regular posts like this ones or Instagram Reels, people can be able to embed them in their own websites. So to enable that, go to your profile by tapping on that profile icon, and then at the top right corner of your profile page, tap on that three-line button and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Sharing and Remixes, tap on that, and then under that, if you scroll down, you should see Allow Website Embeds. Now, if that is disabled, you want to turn that on so that you're basically allowing people to embed your posts, your Instagram Reels on their own websites, okay? Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.